In this video, I'll show you how to add a click to email button in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to your top bar and on the left hand side, simply click on edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on the editor page, the first step is to actually scroll down to the section wherein it has your button. On my select work section, I have a button at the bottom and right hand side. Now, what you want to do is simply click on your button. And at the top, you'll see a few options. And what you want to do is simply head over to the middle option and click on Edit Link. Once you click on Edit Link at the very top, click on the drop down. And in here, this is very essential. What you want to do is simply select Email. Now, once you have chosen email, what you want to do is add your to message. Now, in here, you want to enter your own email address since this is where they will start messaging you. You can also add a carbon copy as well as a blind carbon copy if you do want to forward that within different people. At the bottom, you want to add a subject as well as a body for the email. And once you're done, what you want to do is simply click on a random section and it will automatically save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.